And now I'm going to read Brown Bear, Brown Bear. What do you see? It's all brown. Let's speak. Brown Bear, Brown Bear. What do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, red bird. What do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, yellow duck. What do you see? Quack! I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, blue horse. What do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, green frog. What do you see? I see a bubble cat looking at me. Bubble cat. What do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, white dog. What do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, black sheep. What do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, goldfish. What do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, teacher. What do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, children. What do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and the teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Thank you for watching.